So we're doing this 60 Impala quarter panel repair, and I never seen the stupidest thing ever in my life. They do not, I repeat, they do not sell a complete quarter panel for this car. So this is a 60 Impala, and it's just ridiculous. That piece they sell, obviously, it's already in there. So they sell this front section here. That's one piece, and obviously we got some more damage over here from the previous owner. I don't know what the hell you call that, but whatever. So now they sell this whole piece from here, I believe it's from here down. And I'm showing you here a 1960 Impala. This whole quarter panel here was crushed, it was hit before. And so we went to order a full quarter panel, and they do not sell them as a full quarter panel. They sell it in 3 sections. In this case, about 2 sections, which is the front piece, this whole section here, and then the back piece. So there's still gonna be tons of body work done on this car, just to feather it all in, make it look like glass when it's done. You see, it used to have some rust spots here. They're gonna be welded in place. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you how to do body work, and I'm have to clean all these welds up really good. You could TIG weld there, you could do lead work, you could do whatever you want. I'm just showing you another correct way you could do this. Okay, here, I'm gonna sand this with the DA and prep the metal work. Okay, back to this panel we have here. We got it all welded in, and I showed the door handle. There's another video about that. And I'm trying to match this line from the quarter panel to the door line. So when you look at it this way or that way, it's smooth, it matches. It's almost like the line becomes invisible. I mean, just saying, but you want to match those 2 body lines panels evenly. So what I do, I prepare the metal, prepare this, and you put a coat of body filler about this wide down, all the way down. And what I do, I like to take one of my metal spatulas, and before it dries, cut down the middle, so I know what the line is, so I do less work when I sand, and start doing sanding, just a lot of sanding, and you're gonna be here for a while, but when it's done, that prep work will pay when you paint the car. So here's the reason why I love these metal spatulas. You can see right here, before it dried, I cut it right in time. I just ran this from the top to the bottom, just a corner, all the way down. And as you can see, this is almost completely hard, ready to sand. So if you don't catch it on the right time, to make this line, you're gonna have to take, from experience, I have used a handsaw blade, you know, and you can use a whole size blade, or you can break it, or even a little file. You gotta start from up here and start cutting like a knife all the way down. Maybe that's easier for you to do. I tried it both ways, and both ways work good. It's just your preference. I like to open the door right away. When I do this, I go open the door carefully, and it's easier to sand. As you can see, cut the axis off this metal one. That simple. So maybe this is the fastest way. I don't know. If you guys have a faster way of doing this, please let me know. Leave a comment. I'm always welcome to learn new stuff. Nice. Okay, what I was saying before, after you cut it, if the door, you're trying to open it and it gets stuck, don't jerk it. Try to use your power and open and force it, because there might be body filler in there. You might break the edges off and you just give yourself more work. So I start off with this one, coarse. It's teeth are more coarse, and then I go to this one here with a little more finer on the teeth. And it's pretty simple. You just take your time, just put it in there, and start cutting. Just like so. Once you get so far down, you switch to the other one. It's a lot finer, so you can do a finer cut.